we've gone out and bought some Icon toolboxes from Harbor Freight Tools. My wife and I are getting ready to build the house and needed some more storage, or not we, I needed some more storage for some tools, so I went out and got the Big Daddy 73-inch setup from Harbor Freight. So here, we'll take a look at it. It's so heavy and so durable that the delivery drivers couldn't get it off the truck. We had to unbox it from the truck. In the meantime, I gotta get all this in the garage and before my wife gets home. All right, see ya. And this is the main chest. Of course, it has all the nice sized drawers, everything in. And then the work center here. So you got some adjustable shelves that come with it. You got this nice center that you can just grab the door and close it and keep everything nice and tidy. So that's it. That was a big mamma jammas in here finally. So now I can move my tools from the other two little carts I've got and put them in the big one and do something with all this stuff here that I've got. So about to get a lot better organized, so we'll see how it goes. See ya.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Just remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate comments and feedback, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.